Randy here with Randy Repairs It. I got on eBay and I bought this large grinder because I've been wanting a large grinder, and it was for parts of repair only. So I got it for 11 euros plus shipping, so which was 25-ish euros, something like that. All right, I think that's it. Anyway, first thing I have to do is change it because I got it from the UK, and I got to put a lead on it. So looks like it was doing some pretty heavy concrete grinding. So a lot of times this eats up the bearings, but it might have killed the armature. And my understanding is that Einhell doesn't like to have replacement parts. But it looks like it's a 2024, and I mean it's a big grinder. Let's see if it turns. So nothing's frozen up there, but yeah, I'll have to change that lead out and see if this thing actually goes or not. Stay tuned. All right, we're on this this Einhell. I got to change the plug on it. So I went into the hardware store, got a little plug. So I'm going to change it out real quick because the UK plug won't work here. Okay, there's that. Now, because I've not ever tested this one and I don't want to get shocked, and I have never claimed to be an electrician. You guys can make fun of me all you want. All right, let's see here. Okay, see if it works at all. Nothing. Okay, now we're going to check the lead, and I'm pretty sure it won't shock me now, so you guys make fun of me if you want, I don't care. Right, just pop out here, let's see. Did I get that one? I did, yeah. All right, here we go. We'll get that cleaned out in a minute. Let me blow this out. All right, we're gonna check continuity. See if See if we have any continuity. Let's see. Okay. There's that one's got continuity. That one's got continuity, okay. Let's make sure it's not shorted. Yeah, I don't know why the camera does that. Just randomly shuts off. Okay. We're making sure it's not shorted. There's no short. All right, check continuity on this side. Let's see if we got a working switch. Okay. No, it's got a bad switch. Okay, well, let's see if we can take the switch apart. It might just need to be cleaned out. It looks like they were doing a lot of like maybe concrete or tile with it. No, something's not right. All right, we're back on this this Einhell TEAG 230. I got the part for it, the new switch. If you recall earlier, it's been a couple of weeks for me since I've been messing with this because I was waiting for this to come in. I ordered a switch, it was the wrong one. They have two different styles. So if you've got this tool, be sure and check that out. Make sure that the one you're ordering is the same. This came directly from Einhell. From their website, it was with shipping 24 euros. So not real expensive. These grinders run like 120-ish euros, somewhere around there. I paid 10 euros for this thing, 11 euros for it. So it's got a 25 euro switch in it. Even with shipping and everything, I'm gonna have less than 50 euros in this thing. I think it's well worth it. I did off camera get into it, looked at the brushes, the armature, all that. It looks brand new, and it's a 2024. So I think what happened, they had a faulty switch and they tossed it. So it just wasn't worth it for them, I guess. So let's put this thing in and see if we can get this thing running. All right, I gotta remember how to put it back together. Bear with me a minute. Maybe not. Yeah, no, that seems correct there. Okay, yeah, I think that's right. That's correct, okay. So yeah, we're going in on that side and we're gonna get the yeah, that's right. Yeah, pretty sure that's right. Okay, so I just got to get the wires in. They were down there on this. Okay. All right, guys, bear with me. Like I said, I haven't looked at this in a couple weeks. So yeah, I've got to get that. Let's see if that one's going to fit. Probably not. Let's get a smaller one. All right. Let's put the wiring on. Okay, that looks good. And this way. I might need to put these in beforehand because I'm not sure they're gonna fit real easily in here. Okay. Not sure they're gonna be able to get them in real easy, that's what I'm trying to say. Oh, I think that has to go underneath. Okay, hang on. Yeah, this has to go. All right, let's get that out of there and put this in. It looks like those go in that slot there. That's what I'm forgetting. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself here. I got to get this bolted down, don't I? That is the bad thing about having to wait for parts. All right. Take 3,000. Might help if I try it the right way, huh? Okay, here we go. Maybe that goes there too. I think that goes there. Okay, now this thing. The lockout, I guess, is what this is. There it goes. Okay, yeah, that's right. All right. Nope. Ah, there we go. I got the bottom one on wrong. Okay. That should be correct. All right, that looks right. These are all the same. What did I do with my screwdriver? I just had it. Oh my gosh. I'm losing my mind. Oh. You guys do that? Set stuff down and forget about where you put it. Yeah, this doesn't feel right, so I think I'm gonna get it in on the, yeah. Let me get it the right way. Is it that way? What do you guys think? taking stuff apart and then months later trying to put it back together. Stripping out a screw. Not good. There we go. That's good. Okay. We're going to call that good. That's much better. Yeah, I think I stripped that one. I'll have to drill that one back out. All right, let's see if it goes without shocking me or tripping a breaker. All right, let's see what goes on here. And the lockout works. All right, cool deal. Let's see here. Come on. You two should go right there. There you go. All right, we can put it up like that. Maybe, maybe not. No, put it to the side. All right. All right, cool deal. It's a big grinder, big heavy grinder. All right. All right, I'm gonna leave this for now. It's working. It's gonna be my grinder that I use for you know, grinding down welds and stuff like that. So this isn't going for sale. I don't care if it's gonna catch the guard every now and then. If the plug's not quite right on it, doesn't really matter. But that's it. So again, if you're gonna replace one of these, make sure that your switch matches the switch, because they look very, very similar. They look this, you know, on the outside the same, but then they've got different fittings on the bottom. So different angles and whatnot. All right, guys. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.